Yo, what's up, chat? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Another trading day, a beautiful day. What do we have here? Do we have earnings? I think we do. Today is what? The week of the 16th. Trump speaks at 12, 2 p.m. FOMC. Honestly, could find some big moves here. Maybe this rejection off this. I mean, currently what we're looking at here. Let's look at the. We are though bullish though, so I've got to watch out for that. We do have a fair value gap that I can definitely target here. Kind of watching out for that. So we're just gonna see. Might take a stab lower soon here actually, depending on how price action forms here. Thank God I didn't enter there. Definitely big target, just because overall I am bearish, right? I do want these lows taken, but it's looking slow for these lows. I will be honest, because um fucking they're like what's the word? They're like I don't know. With the way for price action is moving, price action technically right now is moving bullish, but overall it's still bearish. So I don't know, but we'll see. Let's see what we got. Let me fix the camera. Okay, cool. Let's look in the 1 hour. Is there any gaps that we're in? I mean, this 1 hour has a bullish gap kind of here, so depending on if we close like this, we probably might be able to go bullish there. It's another gap. No, it's not one there. On the 4 hour, is there any gaps? No, not really. On the 30 minute, Whew. I'm tired, but I'm not. 15 minute. Okay, so we're in a 15 minute, roughly 1 hour, 30 minute gap ish or so. So hopefully we can get some price action movement here. I do want to put ES up actually. Oh, I can't. Sorry. Did it pay? Lol. Did not pay. Sorry. Let's take a look at ES. ES is also moving pretty bearishly actually. I think ES might have inversed its gap. Yeah, it did. We might be able to go lower actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set an alert here for ES to go lower, and depending on that, we'll know. So let's take a look. Are we going lower here? We're getting squeezed here. I think I want to say buyers are getting squeezed here. So I just want to see we're seeing that 5 minute inverse fair value gap. Though we had this bounce from this 1 hour gap. That's kind of like where I'm at. So we need price to kind of come under that if we want to make a play. This 1 hour gap is low-key very annoying. I like this though. Definitely want to go stab lower. Definitely see this gap getting invalidated just in general. But I'm also trying to be cautious as well and be smart. I like the inverse value gap play here though. I will not lie. I might play this. I like it. Oh, let me join the Discord. Sorry, completely forgot to. Where's the fucking... Okay, there we go. Fuck. Let's put the screen up. Join the Discord real quick. But yeah. Okay, good. Maybe, yeah, Stabler might not have been the play. I want to see what happens to this 5 minute inverse. Does it get re-inversed again? Do we go four highs? Don't know. We gotta see what the play is here. I want 5 contracts on 7. Like, what are we talking about here? 7 contracts. Okay, so yep. So we're trading two fucking what is it? Two fundeds right now. We have two funded accounts, so we're gonna be trading those, especially. See what we can get from that, hopefully. All right. So price, okay, price is invalidated, and there's var gap here. Oh wait, no, it hasn't. Rejecting. Is it gonna respect? You gotta see, this 1 hour gap is very sketch, so I kind of don't like it. But I will say there is a bearish inverse 1 hour gap here. Um, right here, 1 hour inverse fair value gap there. Need my fucking charger. It's my charger. Duh. Okay. Um. Here's my charger. Okay, but got my charger because my phone's about to die. Oof. Alright. Let's see. What are we looking at? Okay, we're rejecting a bit. Still wary of this 1 hour gap. Can't take no entries. Honestly, like in this area is actually so bad to take an entry. But from what I'm seeing, I am seeing sellers, buyers kind of get. Everybody's getting trapped in this accumulation zone, and I want to see who's breaking out of where first. That's what kind of matters to me. But this is look how bearish this activity is. So I hope, I mean, it'd be crazy if I enter and then price just, explodes out. So you gotta be cautious, you gotta play the gaps correctly. From what I see, this gap is holding. This EMA is currently holding as well, so I don't know. 3 minute as well, 3 minute EMA is rejecting perfectly. We gotta see where is volume going to explode out of. Next, that 5 minute inverse for 5 gap is being held. I will not lie, it is being held. So I low-key want to try this tab lower, honestly. ES just took this low. Whoa, that's an SMT. Oh yeah. I think we've got an SMT on our hands. Do we? That's lovely. That's lovely right there. SMT on the 5 minute. Yep. Meaning the lying indicator is NQ. NQ is getting ready to go bearishly. I think I'm gonna wait to see if we come back. If we stay under this EMA, I'll enter. If we go above it, I'll just have to wait again. Because that 1 hour gap is. Because I think ES has invalidated its gaps now. Like 5 minute boom closed. Oh yeah. I like this. I like this as a bullish play. And is ES going lower? I think ES is going lower. I think I'll take a stab short here. Take a stab short. Just the full 500. Does it targeted lows? I don't know. Probably. I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a look. What's the next gap I see? I see this gap. It's been tapped into multiple times actually. Asia low is pretty far. I doubt we'd go there. Carefully speaking. Uh, I don't know. Probably target 561. Yeah, we'll just have a calm 2 to 1. We're not even gonna stress it here. Just gonna go for a normal 2 to 1. Take a stab short longer here, especially because of the SMT. SMT kind of just like strengthening this a lot more. I'm gonna have a wider stop, so I'm just trading the full 500 now in this whole trade. This whole trade will be the $500. Only because I think it's setting up pretty nicely if we can get out of that gap and invalidate it. Yes, it's kind of just dunking in, and the dollar is rising, so NQ is just lagging behind. I think we're gonna get a huge sell-off of NQ to go really, really far as well. So what I might do is I might I might bring this to here, right? But I'll take off 5 contracts right here though. I'll take off 5. Yeah. I think I'll do 5 contracts right there at what is that? 88. 88. Yeah. I think we'll do that. But big picture, like that's the big picture play where we're aiming down there. So we're gonna see. Maybe price. I think price open. Honestly, 9:30 open might actually just destroy as well. So hold up. I wanna. Yeah, 1250. 500 personal daily or 550. There's no daily loss limit there. Yeah, let's think it should be the same thing for the other account as well. 500, 200 should be our 1250. And then I hope I didn't show leak anything. I don't think I did. I mean, but yeah, okay. This play looks like it might play out nicely. I'm not gonna lie. ES is just dumping like crazy. Let me drop this into my Discord as well. Yeah, honestly, might drop the trading view instead. Um, here, dumping. Wow, it's rising and perfect entry. I love that. I love this. This is like I love this late entry. We're gonna be able to get a lot of momentum to the downside as well, with the way I see it. If as long as nothing kind of like yeah, YM is dumping now. Dollar's still rising. Yes, it's going lower. Probably could target this low, so I'm probably just gonna put another there as well just to watch out. Yeah, but I like this. I like this play. Hopefully, it's. I'll go break even after this sweep. This sweep will be my break even. Yeah, this will be my break even. Only because I like the way price is moving. I do see a huge just dump kind of. So I'm watching out for this for value gap here. We've just entered one though in the 5 minute. I will say on ES. So do want to see this get invalidated as well. And it looks like it might actually. The dollar is just going. Okay, it's rejecting a little. YM is rejecting a little, but NQ lagging behind is just kind of what I wanted. Yeah, like out of all things, to be fair, because I know that ES is usually the leading indicator in terms of like when I say leading indicator, I mean like idea, like where price might go. Usually ES kind of tells you before NQ does. NQ then follows. Now, depending on this 5 minute, how this 5 minute plays out, we're gonna see. God forbid, but I want to see how hard this reverses. Depending on how hard it bounces off, will let me know whether I'm going to break even. But I like this right now. I did want to see earnings though. I don't know what earnings is looking like, to be fair. 3 minutes still, and we have a 1 minute EMA, so I'll wait for that tap as well. What is it called? I forgot what the earnings shit is called. Okay, there we go. Earnings calendar. Because I thought Nvidia was supposed to earn. I thought or is it later today? It's after hours. Okay, Nvidia after hours. I definitely want to see the predictions on that later. So definitely check that out. Maybe on stream, maybe off stream. We'll see. Not sure though. Yeah, so I want to see how hard this bounce out of this block is. Only because I feel like we have a lot of momentum to go off of. And I just don't think it's truly bullish. I think it's just respecting an area and then it's just going to continue lower. That's just my idea kind of right now. Yeah. So let's see this. Let's see how this works. I definitely don't want that bounce to be strong because I definitely might just go break even. That's just not even on some pussy shit. It's just it's easier to manage psychology. Want to see a huge move and then price just kind of like once price is far from my entry, I kind of just wanna. I might actually go break even now. I think this is better. Break even now here than break even down here because we're on the way to 9:30 open. I definitely think 9:30 open is gonna rip a little bit lower. So, but I also would rather be out of the trade before 9:30 open because there's a possibility where it can just bounce upwards after such a dump. Especially if ES just sits in this. It'd be crazy if ES sat in this 5 minute just for it, bro. You feel me? So let's see. Sorry, I got an email. I'm also trying to catch some nice trades Wednesday and Thursday, because I don't want to trade Friday at all, and I'm trying to get a payout as well, and I can get a payout on back-to-back days, but if I get back-to-back winners, but I still need to lock in, right? But I like this SM2 though. I like this aggressive entry. I genuinely can see price coming lower as well, so we just gotta give it time. See where that is, bro. I don't know. What should I do? Start. Am I allowed to watch YouTube videos on stream? I don't even know. I don't even know if that's like allowed. I see other streamers do that though. While the streams up, I don't know. I'll put some shit up. But I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I got no clue what is allowed and what isn't though. So. Mm, 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 mm. Don't know why that opened, but okay. Let's get an update. Health status check. It's ES. ES is respecting the box, kind of chopping inside of it, hopefully. So I think if we get it to sit deep in the box, it doesn't seem to have any actual natural rejection to the box per se. I'm gonna add an alert here as well. This kind of applies as a this is a what is this? Is this not an order block right here, I believe? Oh yeah, this actually sorry, not an order block. Well, it probably is, but this is a demand zone, so I will be marking this level because this is a demand zone. We just bounced out. Definitely scared. I am break even though, but definitely don't want to take partials. I want to see a proper rejection and ES bouncing strongly out of it. It's not what I need. Only because I don't want NQ wicking us. I genuinely think that the trend is bearish. I definitely see a bearish trend out of this. So coming up here is very unlikely, still possible. The reason why I say unlikely, right? EMA. All right, I like trading EMA. The 1 minute EMA is still supporting as a resistance for us. Hopefully, if price can tap this and respect this, sorry, not 2 minute, 1 minute. Oh wait, it's gotten through. So hopefully, it can respect it. On the 2 minute, we haven't even gotten there, I believe. Yeah, and the 1 minute, okay, it's fine. Coming back to close under it again. Dollar though is rejecting this area. I don't think it likes this area, but dollar is getting yeah, it's building up. It's building back up. It has a relative high that I think the dollar might want to go for here. Actually, it might want to go for that high up there. Definitely could see a good bearish day from this. We got a 15-minute inverse as well on NQ. ES is just bouncing out of the 5 minute, unfortunately. So we might get another divergence as well. I just gotta look closely. I'm not really good at reading these. Yeah, we took the low now, like NQ, like we knew NQ was gonna take it eventually, because that was the SMT. ES took the low, and then NQ followed. So which is just a clean play, I guess. YM is now rejecting off a 15-minute inverse that created. Uh, Dollar still stalling. Hopefully, market open, we could get some nice, wick downwards as well. I'm gonna stay break even during market open if it opens and we're still in the trade. Even though that's not something I would like to do because I feel like market open can wick us out. But I don't know. No news, right? 12:15 is just Trump, and then that's the other thing. People could also just be playing for FOMC meeting minutes, but I don't think it's that important. It's just red folder, like just because it's FOMC, but I don't think it's actually like legitimately important. I gotta do more research on that, so let me not let me not mislead you guys or whatever. Like, let me not mislead you guys though. I'm working hard, but y'all don't understand. Like, yeah, it's just me here in the stream, but I'll pretend there's a lot of people. But essentially, bro, all odds stacked against me, bro. Yeah, I don't understand. Right, like I'm my family. It's almost like my previous relationship is still haunting me, which is crazy, right? Like I feel like I just don't know. And then some of my friends as well. It's a lot. And I gotta like I don't want to say like this is just transparency. Like I don't know, like yes, I go to a pretty good school, pretty good college. Like okay, like I have other options in which I can succeed, but I just see myself doing better, having businesses, doing all these different things, and I definitely see trading kind of like funneling those passions and whatnot. And so I'm kind of in that mindset where like hell, like I look you need to make it. Like all the stack because I need to prove everybody. And no, sorry, there's a statement I like saying: don't prove everybody wrong, prove yourself right. Like I'm the one that knows what I'm capable of, right? So stop worrying about whether people don't think I'm capable. I just worry about what I think I'm capable. And I think I'm capable of being a good trader. It's my psych that holds me back. I think price action reading naturally I'm pretty good at now. Like I've watched endless videos, looked at so many charts just to see how price action just moves naturally, just to understand how the flow of things goes. And it's like I feel like I've seen it in my entries and in my like analysis. My entries need to get better, but my analysis alone, like I've seen that I've understood a lot of things way better because of that. So it's like, you know, like I just I feel like I've been way better just at pure price action. And it's like, okay, I'm good at the technicals. It's just the psych, and the psych is always the hardest part. If you get what I'm saying, like psych is always the hardest part. All right, let's take a look here real quick before I continue talking. Okay, we had a 3 minute EMA in place still. 2 minute is still kind of holding, not really holding, but we're gonna see how that kind of closes as well. I'm gonna stay on the 1 minute actually and hold that there. But yeah, as I was saying, bro, like it's like a fight every day with myself, and I'm like, I can be a good trader, right? Unfortunately, right, on my funded account, I should have just lost 500. If you look at my performance stats on this account, I should have just lost 500 here, but I lost a band. I could have lost 500 and it just got off, right? My win rate I think is now 40. Yeah, I should have just taken one trade and lost that, but I was so adamant, and it was a gold trade too. I just don't get why I don't get why I rushed it. There was no point in me rushing it, essentially. So I'm essentially break even on the week, and I would have been probably, up a little bit more if I have a winning day today. So it's like it's a bit, you know, it's a bit stupid of me. Like it's my psyche that holds me back. I definitely think I'm capable. I'm a capable trader when I'm focused. I'm not listening to anybody else. It's just my flow. I'm in my zone. I'm doing what I gotta do. That kind of a thing. You know what I mean? So it's yeah, it's something. But let's see. The 2 minute EMA is holding, not anymore. Well, it's broken. Oh wait, we're gonna speak on closures now, so we don't have to fucking keep going back on our words. We'll speak on closures. But 2 minute is kind of there. 3 minutes still in sight. 5 minutes far away. 5 minute EMA is actually closer to our entry, which could potentially fuck us. Which is probably why the only reason why I shouldn't go break even because we have a 5 minute EMA there, and I probably should target as well. Because overall, right now we are bearish. This is bearish as well. There's possibility market open can just clear this and then go lower. That's why I don't want to go break even. So we'll see. We're gonna play it out. I like it. I think we're getting more bearish accumulation anyways. We have a 1 minute fair value gap as well. We're in a 1 minute fair value, 2 minute fair value gap. Sorry, 2 minute fair value gap. We're in a 2 minute right now. We just tapped into a 1 minute as well. See, I would want one of the 1 minute fair value gaps to be respected out of anything, to be honest. Um, when they're respected, it just makes my trade easier on the psych as well. Yes, it's gathering in the box. It doesn't seem like it's bouncing. It doesn't want to stay outside of it. So this is just strongly bearish. Depending on how this goes, I'll see if I move my stop loss just to stop, not get wicked. Because I see price just dipping lower. Like, oh, there's a bounce. There's a bounce and a half. Yeah, this is just bearish as fuck. Like, I'm not saying we're gonna take out these lows today, but that's probably gonna happen overnight if Nvidia has a bad earnings report. But it's just, I don't know. We have 7 minutes till market open. I don't know if I should be break even here. I want to trust my gut and be break even. I want to. 3 minute, we just tap on the EMA. If we get through it, then it's actually like nothing we can do, to be honest. Like if we get through 3 minute EMA, I think it will just tap break even, and that's a break even trade. We'll just have to wait for market open to give us a setup. I like pre-market. It's just cleaner. You kind of can see where it's setting up, and then market open kind of sets up for it. But there's moments like this where it's like you don't want to be too close to market open, where price can just kind of like teach you a lesson almost. But okay, so it's rejecting off the 3 minute. 5 minutes still far as well. Um, it's moving slowly though, but we're getting some negative accumulation. This is not a rejection potential. This is negative. This is bearish, but I don't know. Mm-mm. Feeling energy. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm even allowed to play like copyrighted music. That's why I'm not playing it for you guys. I'm sorry. I will definitely do more checks into that, and just what I can do in streaming for both Kick, both YouTube as well. But yeah, when you join in the chat, say what's up, man. Okay, we're getting some that rejection, strong rejection off the 3 minute EMA. Let's see if that's enough to kind of give us a push. Maybe market open can send us a little bit lower. So let's see what can happen as well. I'm going for this bigger goal here. Overall, this is my goal, but in the event like we don't come down here, I'm going for this bigger goal because of my consistency. My consistency allows me to make 1,200. So definitely gonna be watching for that as well. Because like I said, yes, we are bearish, but we had a lot of bullish, like overnight, bullish movement overnight. And I'm not saying all of this can be inversed, but it's like it's possible for it to reach a level like this and then come up, take out this high, like just go on a bullish run for the rest of the day. As well, you can't always bank on staying bullish. Excuse me. Like all the time and shit. You guys just bounced out, so we might have a strong rejection here on an Q. It's looking slow. It's a 50-50 still. I believe in my idea. That's why I'm like still in the trade, but at the same time I'm break even because it's like I don't know, sketch. We don't know what could happen, but let's just give it time to work. NQ's there. Let's see what the dollar's doing. One more last check. Okay, the dollar's rejecting. It's probably why it has a little bit of a rejection here. It probably doesn't like this area. I wonder what it tapped into on the left. I can't lie. Let me take a look at this on the one. I don't wanna. What could we have tapped into? Yo, morning, boss. What's up? What's up? You on stream? You on stream? How you doing? Chilling? You chilling? You chilling? Love. I'm knowing, bro. I actually like. I actually had to like get a lot of sleep last night, cause It was ridiculous. I did the business case competition as well. We got second place, bro. That shit was too much, bro. Yeah, bro. Currently in a short actually from pre-market. Seen a lot of bearish accumulation, bearish movement, and then a divergence of ES and NQ. NQ is lagging behind, so currently seeing how that goes. I low-key wanted to be outside of this trade before market open, but maybe market open might give me the volume to go to my TP. We'll see. Seems like we're getting a little bit of volume here, boys. Let's take a look at ES again. Okay, dollar. Looks like dollar might just be respecting this fair value gap. Very possible. I'd rather it does because I feel like if it goes any lower, this NQ will take me out of my trade. Okay, NQ is dipping now, like we see here. ES, ES needs to. I want ES to have a firm close outside of this gap. If we get a close outside of this gap and it's invalidated, this is honestly like a great trade. I will say. Um, like if I really wanted to go for a heavy day, I would literally wait for. I would target this, get a retracement, and add more contracts into this inverse fair value gap when this were to be inversed. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not going for that. We're going for consistency. So see what we can pull up there. I don't know. You see, it got this low. That's why I said I'd go break even. So I mean, I'm break even regardless. So we're gonna kind of see how that goes here. Give me 2 seconds. See, sorry, I had to pick up a call. My bad. My bad. Oh, yep, I'm loving it. We're getting that friction. Market opens coming in. Just don't want market opens to do some dumb shit and just flip on me just for manipulation. I've seen that way too many times in my short lifetime. Like, yeah, here we go. Please don't fuck me in my ass. Oh, that's beautiful. Go straight to TP. That's the first TP hit. Can we get the bigger TP? Can we go for that as well, boys? Yeah, lovely. We're gonna move into profit as well. Let's get one more drop. Get one more downward candle. Oof. Sorry. See, that's the shit I'm talking about. That's the shit. Oh yeah, Bitcoin looks so nice, bro. Oh, oh, nah, they playing. Oh, ES tapped into the band zone, but NQ seems like it still wants to. Oh, never mind, it flipped. Come on, let's get that grind lower, guys. I gotta pull out the hammer. I gotta pull out the hammer. I gotta pull out the hammer. Yo, I gotta pull out the hammer, cuz. I'll pull out the hammer. Okay, rejecting off the 1 minute EMA. Hopefully that's enough volume to just send us, make another low and just tap us into TP. If not, I mean, if not, this is still a winning day, regardless. So. But I want more money. Let's get it. Like, like what the hell? Are we serious? Been here since 8:40. You're not giving me more money? Are you crazy? Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. The 1 hour, there's a lot of gaps that I seen. That's why I was so skeptical. Then once I seen ES set up a bearish setting for NQ, I was like, oh yeah. It's like, oh yeah, bro. Like too many 1 hours, too many 1 hour gaps. Like the overnight play was just crazy bullish. So No, just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. Go, 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 go. TP, TP, we're right there, boys. TP, TP. I need to get a soundboard for TP, bro. Like, fuck this order fill. Good shit. Damn, I was trying to aim for 1,200 on the day. Well, it's fine. 1,000 on the day. Whatever. Both accounts, $1,000. Bang, bang, bang. That's beautiful. We're back to above 50% win rate after the fuckery we did on Tuesday with the gold. Let's check this out. First trade on the second funded. Still fighting for a payout on this funded. What am I? Oh, today's Wednesday. Guys, what am I talking? Oh yes, I can only trade Wednesday and Thursday. I don't want to trade Friday at all. Do not want to. But I could put off trading Friday. Convince my teacher, hey, I am having an internship interview with Google. Some bullshit, bro. Some bullshit. Oh, NQ flipped. Thank God I got out of that. What the hell? 1 minute looks like it's rejecting. We might have a little reverse on the 1 minute to get an internal high. Definitely see an internal high at 678 being taken. Possible. There's a possible high at 647 being taken as well. Definitely. Price might do that, especially because ES just tapped into a bullish, yep, bullish demand zone. Hasn't taken out this low. Definitely see the low being taken out later in the day though, just analysis wise. Bang. Hold up. All right, let's go. We gotta do the TikTok. Gotta do the TikTok, bro. Like, it's only right. It's only right, bro. The hell? I hate. You see, this is what I hate, right? When people go and post TikToks of fucking like trading and shit, and it's like replay mode or paper trading. Bro posted a replay mode of him making $63,000, as if we wouldn't see the select bar. Like, and I'm just thinking about people that's just eating this shit. People just eating this information naturally, bro. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Bitcoin is. Oh my God, the way I'm a so your plays are still the same, obviously, right? For yeah. Mhm. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, got you. Oh, that's interesting. Ah, okay. Okay, that's not bad, you know. That's y- yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like this. I like this play. You see, this is why I made you in charge of macros. You think this shit like what the hell? Like, ain't nobody else about to give me as much macro information as you, bruh. What? Come on now. Come on now. I don't even. I promise you, this is the first time I'm looking at silver in the last maybe like month and a half, bro. You like, that's what I'm saying, man. Good work. Good work. Definitely looking into that. I'm telling you, payout straight portfolio. Like I'm going to you portfolio getting set up. All right, we've just gotten the high taken, like I said, 647. We've got the next high taken, 677, like I said. Let's see if price rejects here. Doesn't look like it will. Definitely still have a bearish day in mind. I'm not gonna lie. Even with the overnight bullish shit, like I just and I think we might. But the thing is, though, if we do have a bullish day, I think we might just be setting up for like Nvidia's earnings. I don't know how those earnings are gonna be. Yeah, that's what I'm like. After from I don't know. I don't know. I feel like we're just gonna price in a bullish manipulation and just set up for bearish continuation. Don't know, but let's see. How should we make the TikTok? Oh, let me lock myself out before I do some dumb shit. Lock myself out my trade real quick, cause knowing me, I'm gonna click something next. I'm in the trade. Fucking heart keys. Alright, bet. Let's turn on the chart execution so that people don't think I'm just chatting out my ass, bro. Like, made $1,000. No, no, I technically made 2,000 across two fundeds. Hold on, wait a minute. Run that back. Hold up, let's restart. Let's redo this shit. Made $2,000 across two fundeds, pre-market into market yet again. Okay, now we're gonna flip the camera. TikTok is just hilarious. All right, here's the P&L. You can see it here. This is the first account. See the P&L on the second account, same exact thing as well. Okay, boom, 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 boom. You know, you gotta do the TikTok, man. You gotta do the TikTok, man. Fucking hell. Hold up, let me finish this real quick. I'm gonna check that right now, actually. Oh, I should mark out. Let me mark out the SMT actually. Now that I'm that's I hate when that happens. By the way, that's actually very jarring. Like when it's in a boring time frame, I need. So basically, we created a bearish SMT on the 5 minute when it came to ES. ES took out their low before NQ did. ES for me is usually the leading indicator, and then NQ tends to just follow. That's just me as well. That's how I trade. And so after seeing this, I waited for a break of structure. Once you see the break of structure, I kind of entered on the 1 minute, just holding for my target of 2 to 1. I risked the whole 500 because I knew we'd get close to market open, or where there's a possibility where we could get wicked out. And I did this all on live stream, so definitely check it out. All right, bet. Okay. Let's look at Bitcoin. Why not? Because Bitcoin, I am preparing soon to enter, anyways. So might as well take a look and kind of understand where I'm getting into. Are you trading Bitcoin intraday or just kind of like medium term, like medium term, long term ish? Hmm. Okay, yeah, on the Discord. Hmm. I like that. Oh, so for today, Okay, okay. Got you. Bet. And then I'm doing this into the old deal, bro. Love it. I got another email. I did. Oh, this fire. Definitely might just head to the gym. My body still hurts from yesterday, but I think I'm just burnt out still. Yo, you know what I've been doing? Wait, oh shit, can you talk? You might be at work. Might not be able to talk. Oh, okay. Yeah. Fucking whatchamacallit, bro? I've been doing compound lifting. I don't know why I didn't do that before. Fucking hell. Especially for a skinny person. Like I don't know why I never invested in a compound lifting because I was just separating, the body parts and whatnot, like the way kind of normalized or whatever, bro. My body hurts, but it low key is fun. I haven't been to the gym in so long too, so I'm going back. I was going to my through my notes through my old weights, and I'm like, I can't even lift it no more. I can't push it. What the hell? So I gotta restart, bro. And it's like the way I do is like I go up five until failure, So I do five reps, and then I go up another 5 pounds until I get to failure, and then next time I work out, I start off like 10 off the max I had last session, and then I continue like that. But that's just had me. I'm like, damn. I'm like, yo, I need to stay consistent. What the hell? I'm weak as hell now. It's crazy, bro. Yeah, like, fuck. Alright, hold up. Let's make one more TikTok. 'Cause I'm supposed to have like six on the day. I'm not even gonna lie. And ooh, I am not a financial advisor. Yo, I love spamming that shit. Like, I am not a financial advisor. Whatever happens after this has nothing to do with me. Bitcoin, little bouncy bounce. We're gonna take out internal highs. Or are we gonna continue lower? Let's see what happens today. See an internal high, maybe taking out, could take this high out as well. Fucking hell, Bitcoin. Damn. Okay, so NQ, what are you? Ah, I see. That makes more sense. That makes way more sense now. Yep. Actually, I should be looking at the dollar in this scenario. No way. The dollar had a crazy rise pre-market, so I'd be shocked. Yeah. Fuck it, man. The dollar's still. I have the dollar bullish, so I'm not gonna lie. Bitcoin and NQ like might destroy itself today. I generally have the dollar bullish today. Oh, look at that. Yeah, yeah, no, I seen that. That I definitely seen. That I definitely seen. 100%. So. Mhm. That's. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, they had the meetings or the minutes, and then Trump talks before that. We don't know what's. That's why I literally wanted to trade now because generally I cannot guarantee what exactly is gonna happen after 12 p.m. with all the Epstein shit, all the yeah, bro. I think it's better I get my fucking my 85 to 100 points and just get off, bro. Cause yeah, for sure. Oh shit, what's up, Benji? Oh my god, I didn't even notice. Somebody chatted. I wasn't paying attention. Wow. My fault, my fault. That's my bad. I didn't see the chat. It's my fault. What's up, man? Appreciate you. I did catch a trade on two fundeds as well. I did. My fault. My fault. Nah, I gotta put my TikTok and YouTube in my kick so that people can also see it as well. Definitely as well. Wow. Appreciate you, boy. Actually, how do I know when someone like sent it? Like I would want to know. Like I can just I can just. Oh, okay, so it was a few minutes ago. Nice, nice, nice. Appreciate that. YouTube no traction. Nothing new. We're waiting for that TikTok motion. We're waiting for that TikTok motion so we get that TikTok. All right, let me chill out. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been dropping a lot of YouTube shorts as well. So, I've been throwing the way I've been finessing is throwing my TikToks into my YouTube shorts as well sometimes. So get that shit consistent. Hmm. Ooh. And Q, you showing us how to revert. This is exactly why I did not want to hold it until market open. This is just exactly why. Like, this is why you go break even. Protect your asses. I swear, this is the exact trade I took on Monday. I kid you not, probably like the same exact timing. Pre-market into market reversal. Bow. Good night. Like, so if y'all see consistency, you gotta break consistency. Oh, whew. My goodness. Goodness. Hold on, let me check something out. Actually. Oof, I'm hungry. Yeah, that's probably it, right? Eat some shit. I mean, there's no point in streaming it. Kind of got it. I've seen TikTok already. I'm gonna throw out the YouTube short on. Actually, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna throw it out on stream actually right now, so I can say I did it. Let me turn off my echo. Okay, so my other thing is that I do wanna, cause I just realized I wasn't catching my audio as well. That's why. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so you guys have just been hearing me talk to myself essentially, but it's okay. Definitely don't see a need to do a trading recap as of right now. I did it on TikTok. I could just drop it as a short. I don't think the channel needs one right now. I'll probably just do a weekly recap. So definitely just gonna drop the shorts in as well.
Bro, you know what pisses me off? I literally had, I think I had like maybe 2 grand in silver calls, and literally, if I move the duration to probably like January,
Oof.
the amount of bro, I'm actually so sick.
Oof. I'm
They
not.
expired like last month.
Damn. Damn.
I'm so sick.
Damn. You know what I mean?
And
Like fuck.
yo, like literally, the bias is there. It's just like, and it's so much funnier because that was also when it was lagging the most. I was like, this is the easiest like co-integration trade I've ever made. And then
Huh.
I was like, oh, great. Now I just lost all my premium off it overselling. Like, I mean,
Fuck. Yeah, yeah,
you live and
yeah.
you learn, bro. It's just funny.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm knowing. You're gonna come on, you'll be back regardless. So it don't even
Let me see
matter.
if the hopefully
Upload
the data is fixed on iBet. Yes, there we go.
upload that shit.
Okay. March, May. Let me see what the May premiums look like. 45. I hit the
Fix
month.
that shit. Okay, so we got one short uploading, guys. We're about to put another one up right now.
And Bitcoin's extending. Here we go. A little tiny bit. It's a lower time.
I don't want it to sync to my BD. I don't know how to do that.
Nah, this is absolutely crap.
Okay. So, is there a way I can just not make the short timers? Do y'all know how to do that? Hmm. I didn't know shorts automatically swiped on the pictures actually, if I'm being honest. I don't remember because I watch a lot of YouTube shorts and I
Some new
don't
leadership
remember
impact center.
if they fucking auto fucking flip, but oh, so I can use it all the time as well. I bet. Oh nah, what the hell? We gotta crop it. We gotta crop it, boys. Look at that reversal. I'm telling you, bro. Can I not edit this just raw? Thank you. Okay, that's how I should have done it. It's my fault. Put 8 seconds on this bitch. Should probably. This is what happens. I get so engrossed in trying to make money, and then school, and then the gym, and then I forget that I have parents I'm supposed to call them. It's crazy, bro. I'm a failed son. I might get my wingy wingy cut off in GTA. And GTA, of course, of course. Bunny boy, of course. Bunny boy, of course. I don't like this font. This font is so shit. Thank you. Why is it changing like that? What? I never asked you to. We'll go with this song. I like this song. Sounds like very inspirational and shit. I wish I knew how to make this a slideshow instead of a. This would have been better if I knew how to, but I'm telling you, I'm live streaming so y'all niggas can see like I'm not just chatting on my ass. Like I'm actually like trading. It's not like I'm taking like 15 trades. Oh shit. I gotta edit this. Um yeah, that's not supposed to be there. There. Alright, man. Is that the short process? I'm gonna throw the short out. Streamer evidence, why not? I like that. Nothing was altered anyways. Okay. Just burning out TikToks and the shorts on live. Appreciate y'all for watching. Um, gonna be streaming again tomorrow, so we're back again. I'm leaving all the stream videos up on my accounts anyways, so just check that out. And yeah.